Let's dig into the tools log for cognitive and affective tools. A quick look here at the syllabus. Are you getting bored with that? I would too. So let's just delve into this. So this is the area about the tools log. You got the template here. Very similar to the template that you saw for the behavioral tools. It always is a good idea to take a look at the instructions. Let's see if I can get it here. All right. In pages. Sure. There we go. All right. So you don't need to see my pages, but you do need to see this. Okay. So if you haven't read these instructions in a while, and you might have been in a hurry the first time, I get that. Read the instructions in some detail. Something in a box is like, this is really important, but it's sometimes people describe the use of a tool, but not for self-management, but for something else, like somebody managed them, other management, or maybe you used it to manage somebody else. But we're talking about management of yourself. Try to find about the same number of cognitive as affective tools, and you'll need to go back through the readings probably to make sure you have the terms really right, what it's called. You don't want to just even say something like self-instructions or self-statements. You want to say the type of self-instruction. There's a number of types, right? And then if it's modeling, that's great, but tell me the type of modeling. There's several different types of modeling. The same thing for plans in terms of their level and all the rest. And make sure you have some affective techniques as well. If it's meditation that you are using, describe the type of meditation. In the readings, I detailed several types. Same thing for mindfulness, if you can. So get to 10. Of course, this is going to expand over several additional pages. All right. Let's see if we can find that example. Delving back here. All right. Let's see. I know watching a professor try to navigate their computer is like, all right, an example. These are always interesting. They're not perfect, but I think they're always illustrative and interesting. Don't paraphrase, or certainly don't quote. Don't paraphrase either, but these can give you an idea of what I'm talking about. And don't make up data, of course. Let's see. Here we go. Here's an entry. It's always good to get context and where and whom too. What was done concretely, then what it's called. Here, the type of self-instruction is identified, coping self-instructions. Let's see. Was it a coping self-instruction? Yeah, I think so. And then how it worked. It doesn't have to work for you to get full credit in the technique log, the tool log here. And this is just in case there's something else you wanted to say. This could be an analysis of your use of this technique, and maybe you could use this space or this space to describe how you might use it different next time. The same thing here. We have some action self-instructions, an affective technique of transformation. Well, actually, I'm going to have to look and see if that's an affective or a cognitive technique, because I can see it in both. But whatever I said in the readings, escaping and all the rest. So here you get just about one per page, but that's okay. You're not having to print it, right? It's just uploading it in PDF. All right. I guess that's all for now, folks.